Yo, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Roblox Player 134, and I'm back on screen with another video. Alright. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. No. Yeah, but still, Merry Christmas to you all. Well, it's not even Christmas time yet, but I'm saying it anyway because, well, I want to. Alright, look at this. Today we'll be reviewing none other than the Remax Nevera. I spent a lot of money buying both the Finery and the Remax. That's why I look a bit light in the pocket. Don't worry, I'll stack the cash back up. Why did that crash? I'm a trash driver. Spin around. Alright. First of all, this Remax, please like, comment, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. You all can comment. I respond to comments because I'm a very sociable person, so I respond to your comments. We can even engage in a conversation in the comments if you'd like. That's depending if I have any school. I might even start going live. But anyways, today again, we will be reviewing the Remax and Nevera, which is, by the way, the Nevera means, it's kind of a Croatian storm or something, because it's made in Croatia. By a dude called Matty Remax. And, well, he had a dream. When he bought his first BMW something, and I don't remember which BMW, electric powertrain swapped it. So he just threw in a couple of electric motor and some batteries, and he had his BMW. It's because it was too unreliable. Yo, this guy. Then he created the concept one. He formed the company Remax, which is his last name, and he and his team made the concept one, which is pretty cool. This was originally going to be called the Concept 2, but they came up with a name that actually had meaning and made sense. The Nevera, as I literally just missed a heckin' checkpoint. Why? And I missed another one. Bro, I'm gonna have to start this race back over. I'm not even gonna finish it. Like, seriously? Foxy, fix by the checkpoints, man. Make them like widespread so they span like what they used to. Race in progress, would you know it? But as I was saying, they made this thing. If Foxy would be so kind to grace us with the stats on the cars, but car enthusiast, so I know the stats. What? 1,900 horsepower, 2,000 foot-pounds torque, 0 to 16 like 1.8 something another seconds, quarter mile 8.6. And all that comes from 4 electric motors, all-wheel drive. And the cool thing is you can lock the motors, which means you can have a fully front-wheel drive Remax Nevera if you wanted. You could literally have a front-wheel drive Remax, a rear-wheel drive Remax, or I think you can mix-match it too. One front wheel spins, the other one spins. There's 4 electric motors, so a lock-up 2. Simple. I think this has 2 gears. If I'm not wrong. This is just disaster. I'm racing that complete. promise I'm not this bad. Actually, I am not this bad. I consider myself a very decent racer, but we're not racing for times. Yeah, we kinda are. If it was a competition, yeah, we would be. And I'd be whooped so bad. Like, these checkpoints, man. Gotta be careful with them. And I hit a tree. How come I did? Oh, yeah, I did hit it. Come on, car. Speed up. This thing's acceleration in the game, in real life, is cool. But, man, I've not been playing this game a lot because I got school and stuff. I'm not used to these checkpoints. I know I do not have a book of excuses. I'm kind of getting upset that I'm crashing all the time. Like, seriously. This is not my best race. I know way better race with this. My last footage, but got deleted. So I won't even finish it. Oh, whoa. The Remax doing donuts. Dude. The Remax was literally doing donuts. Come on, Remax. Come on, show us what you got. The thing was literally doing donuts. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yo. Alright, give us the juice, baby. Come on. Yo, look at this. We're doing donuts out here. Look at that. That's true. Even in perspective, my finger is not on the turning button. I'm just holding the gas. See? Just again. It still wants to spin. Look. Look at this. Yo. The ice is a lot. You now want to come off the ice. Stop spinning now. I regain traction. But like, seriously. Remax and nevera. You are insane, bro. Just imagine if I had to buy those tires back. Dude. Even if you could even see like how bald the tires are, like, I'd already roasted them. Like, seriously. I think this is even like, yeah, it is faster than Turzo. See, it is faster than Turzo. But it's the Remax nevera. And actually, the cool thing is, the top speed is the same claimed top speed that Matthew Remax said the car can hit. If you're wondering, yo, dude, why you not cutting up the video? Cutting it to where man, this thing is cool. That's why I'm not doing that, and well, I'm kinda too lazy too. Video's gonna be long-ish. And I'm tired. Alright. You know the circuit race track. I've not done the circuit race in months. Let's see if I've lost my skill. I've not done the circuit race in months, bro. I was kind of good at it, but not really. I got sub 37 times. Bro, I hate this. Why am I not? Yo! Seriously? actually my personal best was, I think, like what? Actually got like what good one time game time cost at that time like 24.1, and I was watching the video and I literally just went. I took up my tablet and I was like, okay, I'm about to beat that time. I spun my gear RS, jumped onto the circuit race, and lo and behold, I got the same time as game time with God. Man, those were the days when I was actually good at this race. I remember I'd like watch game time call and Steam race videos and be like, yo, I can do better than you guys. But GTK's been throwing it down on this race. I have never been able to beat it none of these times. Lucky I even got that one. Alright. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.